Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Care & Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville espresso machine. After it comes with stuck in a descaling mode. When I tested, I found leaks on the steam boiler and it was like almost clogged in the group head, so make tune up and replace all the O-rings on the steam boiler. Let's go ahead and test it. It's really hard a little bit because the new gasket. That's really amazing shot with the cream on it. It's great. Let's go ahead and twist the steamer. Functions good. And the hot water. Works great. Steamer again. That's amazing. So all the functions works good. Thank you for watching.